probably the biggest thing about demand-driven and the benefit the clients see is that when we focus on flow, it generates return on investment. And so the whole focus of demand-driven is it's all about flow. It's flow from the operational perspective, flow from the tactical perspective, and flow from the strategic level. And the objective of every for-profit company is, of course, return on investment.